How to set up a shop on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video we are going to be learning how we can set up a shop on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two types of scenarios. One is if you are a legit business owner and that you want to sell the products for your shop. The other is if you are an individual seller. Now as for the first scenario, if you are a business owner and you want to set up a shop, you need to have a Facebook page, and inside that Facebook page you can create a shop. But if you are just an individual seller, you don't need any type of Facebook page. Only your Facebook account will help you with a feature called Facebook Marketplace, because you can sell products on Facebook Marketplace. As to get started with the first scenario, if you are a business, let me switch to one of my pages. For that, just log into facebook.com, click the profile icon from the top right, see all profiles, and then select the page that you want to switch to. So let's say I want to set up a shop for this specific page, right? Now keep in mind that if you want to set up a shop for your page, the page also has to meet some eligibility criteria, just like how you set it up on Instagram. Now just come to your page's profile page, and then once you come here you'll be able to see your page details and everything else. And then if you'll find the shop button over here, it means that your account is actually eligible to shop. Or if you look on the left hand side, you'll be able to set different types of settings, right? You can start selling right away if you click on the more and then see the shop option. But for the other case scenario, if you are actually an individual seller and that you want to begin selling but you don't have a Facebook page, don't worry, because you can sell it from Facebook Marketplace. Now for this, let me just come back to my original profile over here. So once I come to my original profile, you can see this is my Facebook account. On the left hand side, you want to look for the option called Marketplace. In case you don't find it, you can just click on the see all button here, and then you'll find Marketplace, obviously. Then once you click on Marketplace, you'll be able to see the products that others have listed as a seller. If you want to list your own products, on the left hand side you can select the option called create new listing. Once you click on the create new listing, you can choose your item for sale, vehicle for sale, or home for sale, and then begin listing your products to sell right away. You don't need a Facebook page. Let me show you some of my listings over here, because I used to sell on Facebook Marketplace before as an individual. If you want, you can also go ahead and then begin selling right away, as you can see over here. And this is basically it on how you can sell and set up a shop on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.